Hi there, students. To pare down. Okay, this means to reduce by cutting little bits, tiny little bits. Let's see, to pare, you take an apple and you could pare little slices off it. You pare it down, you cut little pieces to eat. So to pare down is to reduce gradually, little bit by little bit, by paring it down. You could pare something down to the bone. You could reduce something to a level which what is left is absolutely necessary and nothing else. So it's been pared to the bone. The spending on emergency services has been pared to the bone. It's been pared down until there is absolutely nothing left. Yes, it's been reduced, but it's to reduce something by a large amount, but only by cutting off little pieces at a time. So originally the book was 1,700 pages, but they told the author to pare it down, to reduce it, to cut parts of it. When the book had finally been pared down, it was still 350 pages. Okay, so to pare down, to cut off the extra bits, to decrease gradually bit by bit, we need to pare down our spending, to find ways of cutting it down, of reducing. We need to pare down the amount of time we spend on this type of thing. Okay, so to pare down, it's just to cut down slowly. If you want to go on a diet, I think the best way is to slowly pare down the number of calories that you take, not to do it in one great big slice, but just cut off little by little. So to pare down, to gradually reduce the number. The company has slowly been paring down staff in order to survive. This word itself, to pare, it actually comes from Old French, pare, meaning to prepare, to make neat. So if you're paring something down, you're cutting it down. We're going to have to pare down the extras, to trim off the excess. You could pare your nails. You pare an apple, or you pare a pear. Different phrases, or even you pare a pair of pears. 3 different spellings there. Okay, you pare expenses, you pare down expenses, you reduce them by cutting a little bit here and a little bit there. So if you describe something as pared down, it means that something has no unnecessary features. It's been reduced to the simplest form. His style of writing is pared down and very simple, and this makes it very direct and easy for people to understand. During the interview process, we pared the number of candidates down from 100 to a final 4 candidates. Okay, so you're paring something down, you're reducing it, you're decreasing it, you're pruning it, you're cutting off little bits. So we've pared down our expenses to the bare minimum. The text was pared down to half of its length. The number of ministries in Argentina has been pared down by 25%. The government is looking for ways to pare down its budget deficit, to cut it down. We were asked to pare down our budget. The government was trying hard to pare down expenses. In our family, we've been trying to pare down our household expenses. Yeah, with less money coming in, it's been necessary to pare down the household expenses, to reduce by cutting little bits off here and there. And then you could pare it down to the bone. You could pare it down to the absolute minimum. Okay, so to pare, normally with a piece of fruit, you peel it, you peel your apple, and then you pare it. You cut just little slices which you eat, and that is to pare down the style, just cutting little slices off. So formality, pare down, I think I'm going to give this a 4.5. I think I'm actually going to give it a 5 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, use in a semi-formal writing, perhaps not in something very formal. Maybe you could, on the edge. So anyway, to pare down.